we're doing some videos with Jake, a little mini series of manoeuvres. Is it Jake? You've done manoeuvres before, haven't you, Jake?
I have done manoeuvres before.
Yeah, and but we haven't done any for a few weeks.
No, it's been a little while, yeah.
Yes, I'm looking at the thing now, it's got to be at least 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So we'll run through all the manoeuvres in the UK. So we've got the park on the right, the reverse bay parking, forward bay parking, and the final one, which is parallel parking, isn't it?
Parallel parking. Well,
So
what about turning the road? Do we do that?
no, don't do that on the manoeuvre on the test now.
No.
But that's just like an added bonus, isn't it? So you only get asked one of them four, which is park on the right, parallel park, and one of the reverse or forward bay parks. Only one of them you get asked.
Right, okay.
And you'll get possibly a merge stop, but they're going to pull you over that. 1 in 4 get that.
Right. Okay.
So we'll drive off. We'll go and find a car. We'll do a parallel park first.
Yeah.
Right, so
okay.
we'll follow over if we can. So if we can reverse back,
yeah,
and then we'll drive off when it's safe. Look behind you. That's it. Yeah. This one here.
This that show, yeah?
Yeah, get yourself next to that and reverse back behind it, finishing within 2 car lengths, reasonably close to the curb. Okay, finish, yeah, happy.
Ready?
Right, secure the car. So, pretty good. Right at the beginning when you started turning, the front's going to swing out, isn't it? Just check before you start turning there's no one going past you. I know there wasn't, but you checked after you turned, you're looking around. The speed was fine, the manoeuvre's fine. So that first turn, the car swings out, you need to make sure there's no one going past you. Because in a busier car park, people are going to go around you more.
Yeah.
Want to try again?
Yeah, that's it.
Same car?
Same car?
That's good. So yeah, when you're about to turn to bring the back in, check your right side, make sure the car swings out.
Just have a look at the show.
Yeah. That's all it is, that bit there. That's the only thing I would say would improve that bit. That's it. Because you definitely know at that point there's nothing like someone on a bike or anyone trying to go past you. And then carry on with the speed you were doing and the observations you were doing.
Happy?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Happy with that. So I saw a little bit at the beginning. That's all I was wrong with it. Speed was fine. Observations were nice. We'll definitely be happy with that. You've got about half a car in front of you, so you're within 1.5 in total. Just
Right.
within it.
Okay.
Happy?
I'm happy.
Right.